We're at the Reserve at Billingsley Place in Montgomery, Alabama. We're just down the street from so many amazing shops, restaurants, parks, and everything else Montgomery has to offer. This community features some amazing amenities such as a swimming pool, a fitness center, a clubhouse, and so much more. Today, we'll be looking at a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom unit. Let's go take a look. Come on in. Right when you enter, there's a full bathroom. Down the hall, you'll find the first bedroom, which features a large closet. At the end of the hall is the living space, which includes a fireplace, a built-in desk, and a dining area. That leads right into the fully equipped kitchen with countertop seating. Right off of the kitchen, you'll find the laundry room and the pantry. Out back, there's a covered patio with gorgeous views of the lake. Back inside, the primary bedroom includes an ensuite bathroom with a soaking tub, a separate shower, and a large closet. Inside the clubhouse, you'll find the leasing office, a seating area, a movie theater, a community kitchen with lots of seating, the modern fitness center, which includes a Peloton, a playroom, a resident game room, and a secure package room. Outside, you'll find the swimming pool and the lake. Click the link below to book your tour.